Hey everyone, I'm excited to share with you my unboxing of my latest book, The Empty Nest Blueprint for Single Parents. I didn't really do this for my first book, so this is kind of exciting. Here we go. I'm gonna hit it hard to get in here, so bear with me. And there it is. The Empty Nest Blueprint for Single Parents. I wrote this for all the single parents out there. The book is dedicated to all single parents. My favorite t-shirt is "Being a single parent is my superpower." I have so much admiration for this group of people. I did a ton of research and I had a lot of help for people taking surveys and sharing their experiences with me. This is truly a labor of love. Obviously, the Empty Nest Blueprint was the origin, and then following up with this one for all the single parents out there. So it is released on June 18th. Grab a copy. I look forward to getting all your feedback. I look forward to sharing this with as many people as possible. My goal in writing this book is to help other people, help single parents, help all current and future empty nesters. And so this is really a dream come true. Book number 2. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the support. Thanks.